Hello, children. Happy morning to you all. Hope you all are safe. Children, you remember anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Matter exists in three forms. What are they? Solid, liquid, and gas. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Molecules are so tiny so that they cannot be seen in with the naked eye. The way the molecules are arranged in a substance determines the state of matter. Molecules in solids are tightly packed, giving them a definite shape and a fixed volume, so that solids do not change their shape and volume. Either you place it on a table, put it in a box, hold it in your hands, or whatever, but they will never change their shape. In some cases, solids change their shape by giving external forces like smashing, breaking, and so on. Examples for solids are book, bag, table, and so on. Now let's see an activity to learn about solid. Collect some solids like earth, stone, pencil, and eraser. Observe their shape. Now keep them at different places. Do you find any change in their shape at different places? No. This shows that all solids have a definite shape. Liquids. In liquids, the molecules are loosely packed and have space around them, so that they do not have a definite shape, but they do have a fixed volume. This is the reason why liquids flow and take the shape of the container. Examples for liquids are milk, water, juices, coffee, petrol, diesel, and so on. Now let's see an activity to learn about liquids. Take some water in a bottle. Observe the shape of water. Look the shape of water like that of the bottle. Now pour this water into a glass. Again observe the shape of water. Now water has taken the shape of glass. This shows that liquids do not have a definite shape. They occupy the space of the container. Gases. Have you seen steam coming out from the spout of the kettle? Steam is a gas. It has no fixed shape or volume. The air around you is also a gas. In gases, the molecules are very loosely arranged so that gases also do not have definite shape or fixed volume. They move freely from one place to another. They take up all the space around us. For example, air in a bottle takes the shape of the bottle. If you fill air into a cycle tube, it takes the shape of cycle tube. Or if you fill air into a balloon, it takes the shape of a balloon. Children, now let's see another example to know that gases flow faster than liquids. Now take two balloons of equal sizes. Blow air into one of the balloons and tie its neck. Fill water in the second balloon and tie its neck. See that both the balloons are of same size. Now loosen their neck at same time. Air and water moves out of the balloons. Note which balloon becomes empty first. You will see that the balloons filled with air gets empty first, right? This is because air rushes out of the balloon faster than water. Thus, all gases flow faster than liquids. To find the difference between gases and liquids, burn an incense stick or agarbatti in one corner of a room. You can smell the smoke coming out. Now go to the other corner of your room. You can smell the agarbatti here also, right? This is because the smoke or gases flow and can expand to fill the space available. Take two glasses of different sizes, one big and other small. Fill this small glass full with water. Now pour this water into a bigger glass. Does the water fill the bigger glass completely? No. This shows that liquids do not expand. A given quantity of liquid always takes up the same amount of space. Children, now tell me, what is matter? Anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Matter exists in three forms. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a fixed shape and they do not flow. Liquids do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured. But gases do not have a definite shape, but they flow freely from one place to another. Children, do you know how we can change from one state to another? Changes in states happen after cooling or heating. Yes. Now we are going to learn conversion of one state of matter into another. In some cases, the three forms of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, can be changed from one form to another by heating or cooling. The matter changes in different types. They are melting, evaporation, condensation, and freezing. I repeat this, children. Melting, evaporation, condensation, and freezing. Now let's see melting and evaporation in more detail. Melting. A solid on heating changes into liquid. This process where a solid changes into liquid on heating is called melting. Now let's do an activity. Take out few ice cubes from your fridge. Put them in a pot. Leave the ice cubes for few minutes. Now see what happens. It converts into water, that is liquid. So, when ice cubes are placed in room temperature or heating, it will convert into water, which means liquid. This process is called melting. Evaporation. Change of liquid into gas. A liquid on heating changes into vapor. This change of a liquid into vapor on heating is called evaporation. So now let's see an activity to learn about evaporation. Now take some water in a bowl. Now boil this water. After few minutes, the water converts into steam, that is gas. So when a liquid gets heating, it changes into vapor or gas. This process is called evaporation. So matter can be changed from one state to another by heating or cooling. This is called conversion of one state of matter into another. So children, in our next video class, we will learn condensation and freezing. Now let's start to write classwork. So children, take your EVS classwork and turn your classwork to new page. Now write Roman letter 4, D in capital or A W. Draw A N D and L A B E L. Label. T H E the. T H or E 3. F O or M S forms O F of. M A T T E R matter. Fourth pattern, draw and label the 3 forms of matter. Now you should draw ice cubes. To draw an ice cube, you should draw a rectangle and join all the corners. Right, children? What are this? Ice. I in capital, C E ice, hyphen, S in capital, O L I D, solid. Now write arrow mark. Now draw a container and give some dots for water. So what is this, children? Water. Now write W in capital A T E R, water, hyphen L in capital I Q U I D, liquid. And again you have to draw an arrow mark below the container. So now we are going to draw a container to boil water. Right, children? Give some droplets just for imagine, children. Give some droplets, dots to draw water, and draw some lines below the container for fire. What is that? Fire. So now what will happen is, so water vapor. So what is this? Water vapor. So now write W A T E R, water vapor. V A P O U R, vapor, hyphen gas. What form is this? Gas. G in capital A S, gas. Right, children? Fourth Roman, draw and label the three forms of matter. First, what is this? Ice. I-C-E, ice. Ice is a solid. S-O-L-I-D, solid. Next one, water container. Water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Water is a liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. The last one is water vapor, fire, container. So what it is? Water, W-A-T-E-R, water, vapor, V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor, water vapor, gas, G-A-S, gas. Children, now tell me, what is the first picture? Ice. Ice is a solid form. Second picture is water container. That is water. So water is a what form? Liquid form. And what about the third picture, children? Yes, that is boiling water. When the water is boiling, what will happen? Yes, vapor will come out. So what is that? Water vapor. So water vapor is a what form? Yes, that is gas form. So now write gas. You understand, children? Yes. Now write Roman 5. Answer A in capital N S W E R. Answer T H E, the, F O L L O W I N G, following. Roman letter 5. Answer. ANSWE or answer. The. 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 Following. 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 Now write the first question. C in capital AN. Can. UYOU. SAY. Say. ANY. Any. To. DIFF. or ENCE. Difference. BETWEEN. Between. SOLIDS. Solids. AND and GASES gases and question mark. First question is can. 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 YOU. Say. 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 Any. 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 To. Difference. DIFFE or ENCE. Difference. Between. 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 Solids. 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 And 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 gases. 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 So now you have to draw a table column, children. In the first column, you have to write S in capital OLIDS. Solids. In next column, you should write G in capital ASES. Gases. Solids. 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 Gases. 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 Right, children? Yes. Now write the first point in solids column. I in capital T. It. HAS. Has. A. FIXED. Fixed. SHAPE. Shape. And SIZE. Full stop. Size. First point is it. It has. 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 A. Fixed. 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 Shape. 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 And size. 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 So now write in the column of gases. First point is I in capital T. It. HAS. Has. NO. No. DEFINITE. Definite. SHAPE. Shape. A and G and SIZE. I-Z-E, size. First point, it, I-T, it, H-A-S, has, no, N-O, definite, D-E-F-I-N-I-T-E, definite, shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape, A-N-D, and size, S-I-Z-E, size. So now write the second point in solids column. I in capital, T, it, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot, F-L-O-W, flow, E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily, O-N, on, T-H-E-I-R, there, O-W-N, own, it, I-T, it, cannot, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot, flow, F-L-O-W, flow, easily, E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily, on, O-N, on, there, T-H-E-I-R, there, own, O-W-N, own. Now write the second point in gases column. I in capital, T, it, C-A-N, can, F-L-O-W, flow, E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily, I-N, in, A-L-L, all, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. It, I-T, it, can, C-A-N, can, flow, F-L-O-W, flow, easily, E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily, in, I-N, in, all, A-L-L, all, directions, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. Right, children? So fifth Roman is answer the following. First question is, can you say any two difference between solids and gases? Solids and gases. Solids, it has a fixed shape and size. But gases, it has no definite shape and size. Solids, it cannot flow easily on their own. But gases, it can flow easily in all directions. Right, children? Yes, so copy and write this fifth Roman in your classwork. Now write the second question. C in capital, A-N, can, Y-O-U, U, D-R-A-W, draw, A-N-D, and, N-A-M-E, name, A-N-Y, any, for, S-O-L-I-D, solid, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects, dot YOUR or your SCHOOL school question mark. Second question is, can you draw and name any 4 solid objects that you see in your school? So now we should draw the first object, that is eraser. To draw an eraser, draw a rectangle and 3 lines around them and give some shades. Hyphen. Now write E in capital or A, SE or eraser. And the second object is, can you guess, children? S. This is a pencil, which is very easy to draw. Right. Hyphen. P in capital, ENCIL, pencil. And the third object is draw like window, children. Draw some lines in left side. See that? To fill the empty space, you have to draw some lines in it, and again the 3 lines in right side. Hyphen. B in capital, OOK, book. And the last object is, can you guess, children, what is it? Draw a square, again 1 square in slanting, give 3 legs to that object. Can you guess what is it? Yes, it is a chair. Right, children? So now draw just 2 lines in the first square. Now draw the hyphen. C in capital, HAIR, chair. What is the first picture? Eraser, ERASER, eraser. Second picture is pencil, PENCIL, pencil. Third picture is book, BOOK, book. The last picture is chair, CHAIR, chair. Right, children? Yes. That's all, children. Our 7th lesson, States of Matter classwork, is over. Thank you, children.